As you can see, this BMX, this is a Diamondback. I'm gonna build the stuff over from here. I'm gonna build it over to this new frame. Okay, so I will just keep you updated with the video. Cranks that I will be putting on will be the 3-piece with the 44 blade. So it's also gonna be a 3-piece, the same like the one on the Diamondback. Busy guys, you busy? Gonna see if the seat is right. Alright. Be taking off this handlebar, then I will be putting on this handlebar. Removing this handlebar. I'm gonna be taking off this handlebar. Now I'm going to be busy with the new handlebar. Now I'm gonna be taking off the cranks. Now I'm going to be taking off the chain. I always use a tin nut, a screw, and a hammer. You can use any kind of hammer. Here we go. Here's out. And now we're going to install the cranks. We're gonna need some grease and a cloth. Time to install. I'm gonna put this on the left side. Okay, we are done. Now I will be changing from this wheel to this wheel. So we have the front wheel installed. I'm now gonna show you how the bike looks. Before I forget, we need to be safe, so I'm gonna put on some brakes. This is how the bike is looking now. Final product.